Today's video, I'm gonna show you this hiking trail in Auburn, California. If you ever come to Auburn, come to the Clementine Trail. Still walking. At the end of the walk, we're gonna be able to see this super cool ass waterfall. So stay tuned. I feel like I'm an expert hiker because I just thought about it and I'm like, a waterfall would be where the river keeps going. The river's coming down, so the waterfall's up. That's what we're trying to find. And the river's down there. If we keep hiking up, we'll get to it. That's just my theory. Hopefully I'm right. We're gonna see. But look how fucking tall that bridge is. Big old green bridge. No, you can't see it in the video for some reason.
Oh, hell
Little ground squirrel.
no. Oh, gosh. What the heck are little kids hiking?
Hey, babe. Slip and slide. There it is, y'all. We hiked all the way to the end, and you have to get on the road to get to over there. So it's the best I could get for y'all. We made it to the end. Now we're on the way back. What type of flowers are these? If you know, in the chat, let me know. Whoever lives up there, I wonder what they be doing up there, cause ain't nothing around but trees. That must be George in the Jungle, or Tarzan. Tarzan finally got domesticated. He just built himself a house up there. The hike is almost to the end. We're almost to the end of the hike.
Yeah, we're almost in the water again.
Yeah, we might jump in the water, so that might be an add-on to this video. Hike slash river. But I was doing a run.